Today we're creating an action shot where everything around the subject looks like it exploded mid-motion. Begin by cutting out your main subject. Next, clone parts of the foreground, background, and midground onto separate layers. Apply motion blur to debris, shards, or smoke elements to create directional energy. Add custom particles using small brushes and scatter settings. Light the scene dramatically by placing a bright rim light behind the subject to add contrast. Add a dusty haze and slight desaturation for a gritty movie look. Once done, your image freezes an intense moment as if captured at the peak of action. Let's bring movement to a standstill.